Are you a developer and you are wondering the kind of technology other people are using on their websites to make it look amazing, just like this website? Maybe you're a developer and you're curious to know what kind of plugin are they using to make this. Are they using WordPress? What software are they using? What plugins are they using? What script are they using? If you want to know this, then the good news is that you can simply detect if a website is WordPress based. And if it's WordPress based and it has not been protected or whitelisted, that means you can simply detect to know the kind of plugins, themes they are using, and also make copy of that to build your website to look amazing. Okay, but this is not good. It's not good. So if you want to also protect your website from this act, so that people cannot detect to know the kind of software or scripts you're using, then you can watch this video as I will show you how to protect your website from this act. Okay, but we are developers. We want to know what are they using to get this amazing website. Okay, this website is not amazing, but yeah, it is what it is. All right, so today the software or the website we are going to be talking about is www.themeisthat.com. So with what WP theme is that, you can simply go to their website and then paste the URL of the targeted website. So this is the website we want to inspect to know if it's using WordPress. Alright, and you click on search. So it will go ahead and tell us if it's WordPress, and it will also go ahead and list the theme this website is using. It will also go ahead and list the plugins they are using on the website, so that you can also have you get inspirations from this. Alright, so right now this website is using Astra theme, and this is a link to the Astra theme where you can get it, and the author of the Astra theme description, and this is the theme. And now when you go beneath, you see WooCommerce. So I'm actually using WooCommerce in that theme. Elementor is there, you see. So these are the major themes the website was able to detect. Okay, so yeah, that is it. If you are looking for inspirations, if you want to know the kind of technology softwares they're implementing to get this amazing look, maybe you are a website developer, you are a WordPress website designer, and you want to know the kind of technology they're using, then this website is great. Okay, it's good for developers. Keep it silent. Okay, don't let the other world know about it. Alright, thank you very much for watching this tutorial video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check that video where I was showing you how to protect your website from this. Okay, people will not know the kind of software you're using to build your website, even if it's WordPress based. Alright, bye bye, have a lovely day.